my name's Jess and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can sell more of your lessons or your products or your courses or your services. One of the biggest mistakes I see teachers make when it comes to selling their products or services is that they concentrate on the product or service itself. So for example, posting, here is my course and this is the price, or this is my product and this is the price. Now, although these posts are helpful and it shows that you have something available, they're not posts that are put together using any sales techniques or sales skills. Now, all sales is communicating and communicating the value of what you have available. As a teacher, you're excellent at communication, so we're going to use those communication skills to help you sell more of your products and services. The base of this video is by using this one quote. People buy things because of what it does for them, not because of what it is. Let's use this example. This is a moisturizer that I'm selling. Now, what it is a glass jar or a plastic tub with cream inside it. That's what it is. Now, if I was to create a social media post that said those things, this is a glass jar with moisturizer in it, I don't think anyone would really be interested. But that's the same as talking about your lessons or course or product in that way. How to use this product, you apply it twice a day in an upwards motion on your face. And what it does for people, it helps people's skin feel soft and supple. And that is really why people are buying moisturizers. They're buying the moisturizer because of what it does for them, what it helps them achieve. And it's the same concept when talking about your products or services. Let's look at this other example. This is a pair of trainers or a pair of sneakers. Essentially, all it is a rubber shoe. That's it, it's a rubber shoe. But what you're buying it for is the purpose. Now, the purpose might be for style, or because it's trendy, or because it's just the in thing, but also you might be buying it because of the function. You know, it's helping your feet feel comfortable so that you can run further faster. It's helping your feet feel comfortable so you can go to that indoor dance class. Like, you're buying the trainer for what it does for you, for what it helps you do, or how it helps you feel, or what it helps you do more of or less of. That's really why you're buying things, and that's why you're buying anything. Let's talk about this online course. What it is a 6-week online course teaching parents a signature homeschooling method. Now, how to use it, you watch one lesson a week in the comfort of your own home. And what it does for people is it teaches parents how to effectively homeschool. That's why people are going to invest their money into purchasing this online course. They're not just buying any course or just any homeschooling course, they're buying a course that teaches them how to effectively be able to educate their children at home. And you can use this concept with anything that you're talking about online or selling online, and it's to remember that people are buying what it does for them. So have a think about what your lessons or your course or your products are helping someone achieve. Maybe it's helping someone save time, or it's helping someone earn more money, or it's helping someone getting a job, or it's helping someone be able to communicate with someone in another language, be able to improve their career because of the language skills they've gained. And all of these things are why people are wanting to learn a new skill, which is what your course is teaching. So always think about that. What is it doing for people? What is it doing for your course students? And sell it in that way through your social media and your marketing, rather than focusing on the thing itself. Specifically, when you're selling an online course, to make sure that you're on track to sell out, you want to make sure that you offer a clear transformation for your course student from where they are right now, point A, to where they want to be, point B. If you can effectively communicate that that's what your course is going to help them achieve, you're going to sell way more courses than just trying to sell an online course. I hope this video helps you. Let me know what you think over on Instagram. If you are interested in course creation, DM me. I want to start my course, and let's talk about finally putting your knowledge into a digital product that you can sell online. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.